Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It is again Miss Christine. And I have little Audrey over here. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm so happy that you guys are here because I'm going to read you a story about Pip and Posey. But before we start, we are going to sing some songs today. Now, as we all know, it's really important to go out and be very cautious about being clean, all right? So the first song that we are going to sing is This Is the Way We Wash Our Hands. Remember, children, before you go out, you have to wear your mask and you always have to wash your hands. Now show me how to wash your hands. Wash your face, wash your body, and wash your hair. Are you ready, everyone? 1, 2, 3. This is the way we wash our hands. Wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so early in the morning. Your face. This is the way we wash our face. Wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. Brush your teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. Comb your hair, wash your hair. This is the way we wash our hair. Wash our hair, wash our hair. This is the way we wash our hair so early in the morning. One more time, wear your mask. This is the way we wear our mask. Wear our mask, wear our mask. This is the way we wear our mask so early in the morning. Well done, everybody. Now again, it's really important before you go out, you have to wear your mask, all right? And also you have to wash your hands. And when you cough and when you sneeze, achoo, you always have to use your elbow and like, achoo, all right? Pardon me, understand? Do not use your hands to cover your mouth. Otherwise, the germs is just gonna go onto your hands. Use your elbow. Achoo. Understand? Well done, everyone. Now, the second one that we're going to sing, since we're learning about transportation, one we sing about the wheels on the bus. Well done. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Round and around, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and around all day long. The doors on the bus go, they open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus, they open and shut all day long. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. One more time. The children on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The children on the bus go up and down all day long. The mummies on the bus go chatter, 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 chatter. The mummies on the bus go chatter, chatter, chatter all day long. The driver on the bus says shh, 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 shh. The driver on the bus goes shh, 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 all day long. Shh. Oh, The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Well done, everyone. I mean, the drivers says shh, shh, shh. I'm sorry about that. Okay, now the last one that we are going to sing, I think we should sing Mary had a little lamb. Oh, pardon me, what's that? Mary had a little, what's the one? It's a lamb. Hello. Ready? Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece is white as snow. And everywhere the Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere the Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. Well done. Did you like the story? Did you like it? Yeah? I loved it. So did you like the children? Yes? You love them all? Oh, me too. Now it's time for our story. Oh, not yet. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna show it to you guys quickly. See, Pip and Posey. Now, let's see. Let's start with what kinds of transportation that we use every day. Now, let's see if you can guess this one. Now, this kind of transportation is both big and small. It has got two wings. It has got not just two wheels. Sometimes it can have 4, 6, or 8, depending on how big this thing is, right? It can go up, up, up in the air. It starts with letter A. I make the sound air from the very beginning. What could that be? Is it a boat? No. I think it's an airplane. Well done. It's an airplane. Airplane goes up, up, up in the air. Now the second one. Now this one, we use this to go to the school. Sometimes kids use this one, all right? What is this one? Remember the song, the wheels on the? Yes, we've got the bus. Can you say, it's a bus? It's a bus, it's a bus, it's a bus. Well done. And the other one, especially here in Hong Kong, we've got this and it goes underneath, right? We've got a tunnel for it. It starts with the letter M. We call it MTR over here, and that is what we call a train. Choo-choo, train. It's a train. It's a train. It's a train. Well done. So the next one, it has got two wheels, right? And I can use both of my legs for it to move forward. Starts with a B sound. It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. It's a bicycle. Wonderful. All right, the other one. This one has got either two wheels or three wheels, sometimes two at the back, one in front. It has got long stick. You can also have the handle. You can use your legs, and sometimes it has got electric. Now this one starts with the sound S. This one is a scooter. It's a scooter. It's a scooter. It's a scooter. It's a scooter. Well done. And the next one, now there are actually two of these. One is a very big one. Now what? Sometimes it's so big that it can fit thousands of people. Now this one starts with a sh sound. Sh sound. It's a ship. It's a ship. It's a ship, right? It's really, really big. Now the other one, is very small. Now, right, small one, we sometimes sing this song, row, row, row your boat. Can you say boat? It's a boat, it's a boat, it's a boat. Now we got two more, all right? Well done. Now the next one, sometimes mommy and daddy can drive this one. You can have it as a private one. Now this starts with a sound. What's the sound? It's a car. It's a car. It's a car. It's a car. Well done. Now the last one, this is, if you can't drive or if we can't use mom and daddy's car, we can use this one. It begins with a t sound. All right? Not a train. This one has got 4 wheels as well. It's a, what's that? Taxi. Well done. Can I say it's a taxi? It's a taxi. It's a taxi. Sometimes you call it a cab as well. All right? Well done, everybody. Now, one more time. Can you say aeroplane or airplane? Next, boat. Next, ship. Next, bicycle. Next, scooter. Next, car. Next, what else do we have? That one, taxi. And the last one, we have a train. Well done, everybody. Wow, excellent work, everyone. Now it's time for our song, our story about Pip and Posey. Now let's see. Now since you've learned about different kinds of transportation, what's this, children? It's a scooter. Scooter indeed. Pip and Posey. This one is about the Super Scooter by Axel Scheffler. Now let's see. One day, Pip was riding on his scooter. Ring, ring, all the children, there you go. Ring. He's riding his scooter. And look, whoa, he was very, very good. He went up, whoa. He went down, wheel. He even made the tricks. Wheel. He was really, really good. But just then, Posey appeared. La 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 la. Wow, Posey and Mr. Froggy together. Posey really likes Pip's scooter. Look at that. She wanted to ride on it a lot. She really liked the scooter, children. What do you think she's going to do? Oh dear. Look what happened. Pip doesn't look happy at all, children. Why not? So Posey snatched the scooter and scooted away as fast as she could. Now, is it good to grab things from other people, children? Pardon me? Now, is it good to grab things from other people? Can we just snatch things away? No, thank you. Posey was really naughty by not asking permission if she could borrow the scooter from Pip. Pip was really cross. Now, Posey had never been on a scooter before, but she thought it looked quite easy. So she went up and she went down, and also she tried to do some tricks on it. Whee! However, she went way too fast and oh dear. Then Posey fell off the scooter. Oh no, look at that. She got hurt pretty badly. Oh dear, a lot of her friends are really worried. Now, do you think Pip is going to help Posey? Do you think we should help our friends when they get into an accident? Yes, of course we have to, because that's what friends are for. Poor Posey, they said. She hurt her knee and was very, very sad. Oh dear, she started crying. So Pip looked after Posey and her sore leg. After then, she realized what she's done was quite wrong. She said, "I'm sorry for taking your scooter, Pip," said Posey. And then she said, "Thank you for looking after me." See, remember, if you've done something wrong to our friends, we always have to say sorry. Excellent. Now, Pip and Posey had a big hug, just like that. And then they went to play together in the sand where it was nice and soft. They played all day long, and then they went home for tea, and they both said, "Hooray!" And that's the end of our story today. Well done, children. Nice. Now, before we say goodbye, we are going to sing a song. Let's go driving in a car. Are you ready to drive your car? Beep, 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 beep. Chug a train, fly a plane, ride a bike, sail a boat, and don't forget to walk if everything doesn't go well. Ready? Let's go driving in a car, beep, beep. Let's go driving in a car, beep, beep. We're nearly there, it's not very far. Let's go driving in a car, beep, beep. Next train. Let's go chugging on a train, choo-choo. Let's go chugging on a train, choo-choo. The guy has the whistle in a silver chain. Let's go chugging on a train, choo-choo. Next. Fly a plane. Let's go flying on a plane. Whee! Let's go flying on a plane. Whee! The pilot says, "Let's go to Spain. Let's go flying on a plane. Whee! Next, sail a boat. Let's go sailing on a boat. Two. Let's go sailing on a boat. Two. I don't know how this stays afloat. Let's go sailing on a boat. Two. Next, let's go riding on a bike, kring kring. Let's go riding on a bike, kring kring. You can ring the bell, it's not just a light. Let's go riding on a bike, kring kring. Oh no, I think we might have to walk. I think we might have to walk after all. I think we might have to walk after all. The car's in the garage and the boat's in the dock. I think we might have to walk. Well done, everybody. Now remember, if your car is broken, the bike, the train, the plane is not working, you can always use your two legs and just walk. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our lesson today about transportation and our story. Thank you again, and say goodbye to my little Audrey. Bye-bye. Don't forget to put your thumbs up over there if you like it. Subscribe, and also look at different stories that we've done from the previous weeks. Thank you again. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.